In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Drive Video Player. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The first step is to open the video. Start by navigating to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to find the video file that you'd like to watch. Just scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of content. When you locate your video, double-click on it to open the player. A quick tip here, the new design position of video controls has improved significantly. They're neatly placed below the video instead of overlaying it, which means you get an unobstructed view, perfect for really enjoying your content. Now that your video is open, let's move on to navigating the timeline. You'll notice some buttons for fast forwarding and rewinding. Use these to skip ahead or go back as needed. Each click on the fast forward or rewind button moves the video by 10 seconds. This feature is super handy for quickly jumping to a specific moment in a lecture or replaying a particular dialogue that you found interesting. Next, let's talk about adjusting the playback speed. Have you ever felt like certain content just takes too long to get through? Or maybe you'd like to slow down tutorials to grasp finer details? The Google Drive Video Player has got you covered. Just look for the playback speed option, often represented by a little gear icon or speed indicator. Click on it and you'll see various speed options. Pick one that suits your viewing preferences. Speeding through long videos or slowing down for more comprehension is totally up to you. Now, if you're someone who relies on subtitles or captions, I have some great news. You can easily manage these in the Google Drive Video Player. Just find the Subtitles or Closed Captions button, and with a simple click, you can turn these text overlays on or off at any time during your viewing.